Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to create and link an external style sheet to your HTML pages. So to do that I'm going to create an external, the external style sheet, and I'm going to give it the name style and make sure it's got the extension .css. And notice that I've placed it in the same folder directory or the folder location as the HTML pages. Which I've only got one, which is index. I'm going to open this in Notepad++, and to write CSS there, you don't need to, in the external style sheet, you don't need to specify. So it's pretty much the same as what you have for the internal style sheet, but without the opening and closing style tags. So I'm just going to copy, I've just copied that actually, and I'll just indent this properly. And for this particular style sheet, I wanted to style my H3 elements only to red. Now nothing's going to change even if I save this, because this is not linked yet. So to link it in the head section, use the link element, link element, and specify that this is, I hit the shift tag mistakenly. Style sheet, and specify the location and name of your style sheet. Now I don't need to specify location because it is located in the same folder that my index is my index page is in, and so I only need to specify the name in this case. So I'm going to save it. Again, nothing's going to happen because I haven't used any H3 elements yet. So I'm going to go and create a H3 element, and I'll say this is a subheading. This will have a smaller size than a H2 and H1. So now if I save and refresh, now you'll notice that this has become red. So I've actually got three styles. I've got the inline style sheet, and I've got the internal style sheet, and I've got the external style sheet now. So the difference is that this internal style sheet will style these elements on this HTML page only. The inline will only style this element, only this H1 element, whereas the external style sheet will actually style all pages that link to the external style sheet as the rules we specify. So let me show you what I mean by creating another another HTML file, and I'm going to call this probably not the best name, but just for example purposes, another page. And I'm just going to open it here, and this will be the exact thing as that one because I've just copy pasted it. So I actually want to give this another title, another page, and let me just show you what this looks like. Okay, so it's the exact duplicate, but I'll just show you that if I actually remove the inline style sheet, now I lose any styling for the H2 elements. If I get rid of this inline as well, it will just go away. Oh, no more green. Okay, now the only thing that remains styled is what I have in the external style sheet. So this is really, really useful when you want all your pages to have the same colors for a particular element, and you don't want to have a lot of code like that in each of your pages. So anything that is in common across your pages, put them in your external style sheet so you can save yourself the extra typing, and it also tidies up your pages by having less code that you don't really need. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.